Hello and welcome back to JVCTR. For those of you that are new, my name is Johnny, I run this channel, and today I wanted to show you how you can upgrade the fog lights on a MK8 Fiesta ST. In particular, we are using the CEUK Enhanced Edition H8 and H11 bulb upgrade, so hopefully that will get rid of the yellow-white mismatch that you get from the upgraded LED headlights and the standard yellow cornering lights. Okay, so obviously you have seen the title of this video and you can see that I'm running a giveaway, so I wanted to address that straight away. Now, the reason I'm running a giveaway is because I've hit 1,000 subscribers, which is a milestone that has come around a lot quicker than I could have expected. And the reaction I've had from you guys has been largely positive, so a massive thank you to all of you for that. Now, a bit of background around the giveaway. So as you know, I wanted to upgrade my fog lights and cornering lights to a sort of more whiter colour to match the headlights that come from the factory. I contacted CEUK to purchase a set and they said, hey, we'll chuck in a second set so you can give away a set to your subscribers. So a massive thanks to CEUK for helping us all out there. So I will cover how you enter that competition at the end of this video, but for now, let's get into how you fit these. And if I'm honest, the installation was really quite simple. All you need is a T25 Torx screwdriver, and although it's not a necessity, but it is quite useful, a large trim remover tool so you don't damage your plastics. Here's how you do it. Firstly, you'll need to remove the inner trim piece surrounding the fog light using a wide trim remover tool. Next, you'll need to remove the outer fog light surround. A firm tug will remove it, but be careful not to break any clips. You'll then have access to the 3 screws surrounding the fog light, one at either end and one underneath. Once the screws have been undone, the fog light can be removed. You simply unplug the connections at the rear of the unit and it's time to replace the bulbs. The CEUK bulbs come well packaged and they supply you with blue and yellow tints that are applied directly to the bulb if you wish to change the colour. The bulbs appear to be well built, and if it's possible to get good looking fog light bulbs, these are the ones. Even the radiators have a funky design. Now, to remove the old halogen bulbs, simply twist them about 1/3 of a turn and pull them out. The CEUK bulbs are installed in the same manner, although they are slightly stiffer as they have a tighter water seal. Now it's just a case of plugging the CEUK bulbs into the original cabling and reinserting the fog light. There are lugs to hold it in place whilst you tighten up the 3 screws surrounding the unit. To replace the trim, start with the outer trim and simply push it back into place. Provided you line up the tabs correctly, you should not need to apply much force. If the clips are not clicking in, do not hit the plastic as you will almost definitely bend or snap the clips. Lastly, the internal trim piece is simply clicked into place. Again, be gentle not to break the clips. To finish, repeat on the other side. When I wasn't moving the camera around, I managed to complete the second side in just under 7 minutes. So within 15 minutes, you could be marvelling at your brand new, shiny fog lights.
Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're starting all over, and let's get together now, so we can find a spark in the night.
So there you have it. That is how you install a set of CEUK upgraded fog light bulbs in a MK8 Fiesta ST. Now, the upgrade was in itself really quite simple, as you saw. and the results are exactly what I wanted really. The colour match is pretty damn good against the LED headlights that came from factory, which is exactly what I was after. Which is great because I have a set to give away. So this is my set, which is currently on the car, and this is for one lucky winner at home. Now the competition is being run by a company called Gleam. Essentially they just double check that you're subscribed to my channel, and at the end of the 2-week period, which is the 7th of September, they will randomly select a winner, let me know their email address, and then I'll get in touch with you to arrange postage, so on and so forth. So yeah, links in the description, get entering. If you enjoyed this review, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more Fiesta ST videos coming up, and also some technology reviews as well. So I will catch you in the next video.
Goes aside from my soul.